Hello, I am Dr. Yuvaraja TB. I am heading the Department of Robotic Surgery and Uro-Oncology at Kokilabend Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital. Today I am going to discuss about the role of robotic surgery in treating cancers and its advantages to the patients. The robotic surgery is an advanced keyhole surgery. So it involves a specialized machine which makes surgery easier, gives lot of advantages to the patient. So the robotic instrument is manufactured by Intuitive Surgicals from United States, and now it is widely used in treating cancers. In my specialty, we treat prostate cancer, kidney cancer, bladder cancer, and also it is useful in treating gynecological cancers, head and neck cancers, and by this method we can give lot of advantages to the patient. So the most important advantage of robotic surgery over a conventional surgery is that it's a very highly advanced, a 3D magnified surgery where we do surgeries, complex surgeries within the abdomen by a keyhole. Just a 1 centimeter incision, around 4 to 5 holes will be made in the abdomen, and the entire cancerous part is removed. So mainly it is used in treating prostate cancer and as well as kidney and bladder cancer. The advantage of the patient is that the patient will have less pain, and patient will not have any blood transfusion, and the post-operatively the patient can walk around and the next day after the surgery, and then they can have oral feeds very early and go home very early. So generally these are the main advantages of robotic surgery. But most important is the oncological or cancer outcomes. So we have to prove that it is equal to open surgery. So all over the world, robotic surgery is becoming very widely accepted, and the outcomes, the cancer related outcomes, are equal to any conventional either laparoscopy or open surgery. So now although there are many other players in this now, so there are many other companies are manufacturing this robot, but even now, so the monopoly is from the Da Vinci, that is Intuitive Surgicals from US. So these are the advantages, and now the indications are increasing, especially in the area of pediatric surgery, and especially in the area of gastrointestinal surgery, cardiac surgery, thoracic surgery. The indication of robotic surgery is increasing. So now the cost to the patient is not very exorbitant, because although the machine costs a lot, so the disposal cost around say a lakh rupees more than a conventional laparoscopy or a open surgery. So in future, the robotic surgery is going to become a widely accepted modality in treating cancers. So especially when the more and companies are coming, and the cost is going to reduce, and everywhere we will be seeing the penetration of robotic surgery in surgical field. Thank you so much.